Hello students, myself Ms.Dnyanada Shete, Assistant Professor, Changu Kana Thakur, Arts, Commerce and Science, Empowered Autonomous New Panvel. My subject is Software Project Management and my first unit will start with the topic of Software Project Management. So let us see first what is meant by management. So management means what to achieving the goals to way that make the best use of all resources involving the following activities like planning, then staffing, directing, controlling, monitoring and innovating. And last one is a representing. So let us discuss with in depth. First, what is meant by planning? Planning, it is the basic function of management. Planning is a deciding in advance what to do, when to do and how to do. So it is a bridge gap from the where we are and we want to be deciding what is to be done. Okay, so this is nothing but your planning. Second one is organization. Organizing means what? Making a arrangement. Making arrangement means bringing together a physical, financial, then human resources and development productivity relationship among them from the achievement or organization goal. Next one is the staffing. Staffing means selecting the right people for the job, means team selection. So it is a function of manning the organization structure and keeping it manpower training. Then next one is the directing. Directing means supervision, motivation, leadership. Communication means giving the instruction. Next one is the controlling. Controlling means what? The purpose of controlling is to ensure that everything occurs in a confirm with the standard. Next one is the monitoring. Monitoring means what? Checking on the progress. Then next, innovating. Innovating means what? The coming up with a solution when problems is emerge. And the last one is the representation or a representing. So liaising with the client, user, developers and other stakeholders. So this is nothing but a management. Then back to the next point, that is a project. So our topic is a software project management. So the first one is the project. Project means what? The temporary efforts to create a unique product or the service. So project means what? It is usually include the constraint and risk regarding the cost, schedule or the performance outcomes. So project means the definition of the project is the planned set of interrelated tasks to execute over a fixed period and within a certain cost and limitations is nothing but your project. Next one is what is mean by project management, because of we already see what is mean by management and what is mean by project. So the combination of this project management means discipline of the planning, organizing, motivating and controlling resources to achieve a specific goal. This is nothing but project management. So next one is the actual definition of the project management means what? The methodological approaches to plan and guiding the project process from start to finish is nothing but your project management. So why we are choosing a project manager and what is the main use of project management? So first one is the better control of financial, physical and human resources. Then improve the customer relations, short development items, low costing, high quality and increase reliability. Then improve productivity and last, better internal coordination. So that's why we are using a project management. Okay. Now next topic is the characteristics of project. Characteristics of project. So first one is a non-routine. It's always a non-routine. Next, it always a plan. So here we are required the requirement. Planning is the most important thing. Next one is the aim. So it will always decide the aim of your project for the specific target. Then work carried out the customer. Okay, how customer will work or how, what is the requirement of your customer. So this is the mention here. Involving the several specialization, then made up of the several different phases, is constrained by time and resources also, and last one, large and or complexity. Okay, so these are the characteristics of your project. Next one is the management approaches. So management approaches means the traditional culture. Manager think and employee do what they are told. So the role of manager is the traditional management model is to solve problems at the top level. So this is nothing but a traditional culture in our India, in our country also. Next one is the quality culture. Quality culture means what? The manager are coaches of the team, they do Means first one is a communicate with the vision, mission and goal. Then providing all resources, remove barriers, seek employee in and input and feedback, build trust, provide training, reward and recognizing performance. So these are the quality culture. So this is the management approach. I hope all of you understand this basic topic. Thank you, students.